Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to block text message on iPhone. To block receiving text message from a particular phone number on WhatsApp, I'm gonna be showing you that real quick. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your message app. So open it up. So once you get to your messages, this is what you want to do. You want to look for the person you want to block. So let's say I want to block this person from sending me text message. So once you tap on the person you want to stop receiving messages from, if you check the top, you're going to see he or her name written over there. Just tap on the name. So once you tap on the name, it will open up another page for you. On this page, if you check the middle here, the right side, you're going to see where it says info. So I want you to tap on that info. So once you tap on the info, I want you to scroll all the way down. Once you scroll all the way down, you are going to see where it says block caller. So just tap on this block caller. So once you tap on this block caller, this person will not be able to text you again and again on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually block text message on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.